Ever wonder what your sleeping habits say about your relationship? Let's dive into the secret language of the bedroom. First up is the classic spoon. If you're the big spoon, you're likely the protective caretaker, while the little spoon loves feeling secure and cherished. It's the ultimate sign of new relationship bliss. For long-term partners, you might prefer the loose spoon. It shows you've built enough trust to prioritize a good night's sleep over constant touching. Feeling romantic? The sweetheart cradle, where one partner rests their head on the other's chest, releases oxytocin and signals deep nurturing. If you're more about independence, the Liberty Lover's position, sleeping back to back without touching, actually shows a healthy, secure connection, where you both feel safe in your own space. Then there's the leg hug. Even if you're doing your own thing, that toe tuck means you're passionately committed as a unit. Watch out for the space hog, though. If one of you is starfishing across the whole mattress, it might be time for a chat about balance. Whether you're tangled up or keeping it cool on opposite sides, the way you drift off is just another way you and your partner stay in sync.